Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is OpenVPN. The plan is we are going to install Ubuntu server, then we are going to install OpenVPN server. After all the configuration completed, then we're going for a client. We're gonna set up a one client certificate, and we're going to install this certificate to OpenVPN software, and after that we are going to run and configure and test it. Please subscribe and like our channel. We're trying our best, share the knowledge as much as we can. Let's get started. Here we go. We're starting virtual machines, VMware workstation. We're setting up a new virtual machine for Ubuntu. We already download Ubuntu operating system onto save open drive, and now we're gonna install the Ubuntu into virtual machine. We'll just give them a different name here, DCC Scotland. Username we're giving a DCC admin. Password is 12345678. Maybe it's longer than that. During this whole procedure, we will be first installing a Ubuntu machine. You can install in any of the PC which is support Ubuntu, any hardware you support Ubuntu. I've already mentioned the hardware we are using in my intro. 8 GB RAM. I prefer 8 GB RAM minimum. I'm giving here is 120 gig hard drive space. Stored in the single hard drive. I'm going to customize changing the network connection into virtual machines. This is only setting a virtual machine. You don't, when you have your own small hardware for VPN, you can do in the test environment, test it first before you want to install into the client machine. I'm giving this 16 GB RAM. 16 GB RAM, you can have up to 50 clients can connect it to VPN server, as long as you have a decent processor, quad-core processor and 16 GB RAM. It can be support up to 50 clients, and if you have more than 50 clients, then you need a more memory, better processor, and I'll do the job. Here just installing Ubuntu now. I'm not changing anything Ubuntu server. I just go with just default. Everything I will use as a default. I'm not going to make a more complicated for you. Totally not complicated system. I'm doing it. I'm just make simple and easy, very simple and easy as a start. If you're not familiar with the Ubuntu or Linux system, you don't have to be the guru of that. Basic installation for your Ubuntu, you're just installing a Windows operating system, because we are using a GUI, so we're not using through the command line. So I'm just doing everything default installation. Everything is going to be default. This is going to be a little long video, but if you follow exactly the same, we're just giving full name, so everything is default location, so it's nothing is changed, no partition. I don't need to make any partition or anything like that. I'm just giving a DCC admin, and the password is going to be 1234567 because this is a test environment. This is a test environment PC. I will be making just a short video for you, only for the not showing the installation for Ubuntu, just for after completing the installation of Ubuntu, and just only for how VPN commands gonna work. So now it's just copying files and installing Ubuntu. I will take about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm trying to make fast as much as we can. I mean, I have a good hardware system. Running Ryzen 9 9700 X3ED with 128 GB RAM. So I've got a decent powerful machine, so I can run about multiple servers same times. This is my test machine using for all the different operating system testing on this machine. Once the installation completed, and after that we're gonna run the command for VPN. One thing always remember, before you do it, to make sure you are using a right command. Still installing the system. This total video tutorial consists of 27 minutes. In 27 minutes you can have your own VPN server. In just 27 minutes. If it doesn't work, you need to go through it again to look the video how I'm doing it. Just go through thoroughly, understand. This is not high rocket science, so it takes ages to learn. You could be setting up your own VPN server in just a day if you go through it again, look the video again, look the command again, and that's it. That's you done. You will be successful. If there's any issue, you can contact me, comment me, and I'll try my best to help you out. If you follow me exactly, there is no issue at all. So we just now we are restarting the Ubuntu server. Still loading. Take a little time. While this loading, I'll just thinking to go and make a cup of tea. Still loading. Still loading. Loading completed. Is starting the operating system now. Because it's a fresh install, so as a start it takes a little time to get loaded. It's also running in a virtual machine, so it does take time on virtual machine as well. Once it's Ubuntu loaded, there is a total takes 5 minutes to get your VPN server running after, because Ubuntu always takes 15-20 minutes to installation and fully updated, patched. After that, I'm talking about 6 minutes. All you need to do is run 4 commands and that's it, you're done. Right, that's installation completed. Now we enter the password and then we have to run Ubuntu updates to make sure the Ubuntu is fully updated. Click next, finish. Still need to one thing I need to check to make sure what is my IP address and make sure I've got internet running. I hate this Firefox sometime. So annoying. I'm so familiar with Chrome. I'm just checking, make sure I've got internet running. Check the IP address. I maybe picked up my second LAN card IP address, so it's not duplicating from my LAN. Yeah, it's giving me a VM IP address from different network adapters, so I'll change that. Check it out again. Close it. Make sure I've got all the application is running. Oh, let's go to the terminal. We got terminal open. We're doing some updates for Ubuntu first before we start, even openvpn. Entering the password. You don't see me entering the password here because you don't see in Ubuntu. I'm thinking to make another video for you next time, setting up OpenVPN through PuTTY. So you can have install the VPN into the client side, install the Ubuntu on client side, and then you can install VPN from your office or from your home. This is going to be a very short video. I'm not going to show you in this video installing Ubuntu, just only install remotely installing OpenVPN. doing some updates. Running another command to make sure is the Ubuntu is fully updated. Thus Ubuntu is fully patched. We're going to open the terminal. Trying to access through the root, but I've got another idea. So I'm going to run another command, sudo space -i, which give me a full administrator privilege. Instead, I'm going to the root and setting up the root password and blah blah blah. So I don't have to do that. So that's a command I've used, sudo space -i, and now I can install the VPN script. I've copied the script code. Just copy this script. This is the script I'm using. Copy this script and paste it. Oh, looks like I missed wget https. I better get that sorted. That was missed during copy. Now it's done. The public IP address for the VPN behind the firewall on the NAT. I'm just typing my public IP address into here. So the VPN will save this public IP address. The port I'm going to be used UDP port. The port number I'm using 1194, and the DNS using Google DNS. Give a client, say client 1. Sorry about that, this interruption. I'll just give them a client 1. VPN installation started. Now we need to display this VPN. I need to copy the code. Copy the code from, I can do cat space and copy /root /client.ovpn. This, once I copy this one, so this will display on my window the whole certificate for the OpenVPN. Click enter. There we go. That's a certificate for the client 1 certificate display. I need to copy this whole code from top till the bottom where it says code. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I messed it again. Go down, 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 down. That's it's just so annoying me. Only this step is, I just don't like it. My mouse is very sticky. I'm losing, I don't want to lose single letter for this certificate. Right, scroll up, up and down, scroll up. Oh, I messed again the line. The only thing I don't like in this copy from there, but I mean it's a simple easy way to do it, this one. Otherwise then I have to run the command to copy the certificate from root directory into my documents. I don't want to make that difficult, you know, so many commands to use it. I want to make sure, just make it simple and easy for you. There is a few commands you can copy it. I need to slow down here, slow down a little bit. Gone too fast. Maybe I need to redo it again. Okay, do it again from the bottom here. I'll just do the copy again. Go top, come on, top. Sometimes my mouse is either too fast or either too slow. I have to be constant, slowly moving up. Move up, little bit more. There we go. I need to stop from here, client. Copy this from here, and now can I copy this one into my notepad? This is not going to work because I picked the wrong notepad. I'll just use the local Ubuntu notepad instead using my own Windows notepad, because I'll just open the new notepad from Ubuntu and paste it, this whole code here. Now I need to save this file as a save as a client1.ovpn. I'll go to client save as, client1.ovpn. I'm going to do it, client1.ovpn. Okay, the file better save on the desktop. Okay, the file is on the desktop now. Close the terminal. That's the first license created, and we also have openvpn installed into Ubuntu server. The next, we are going to Windows machine, and we can move this client.ovpn1 license to my Windows machine. I'll just map the drive, set up an openvpn, and now I can open with text editors to make sure everything is there from start till end. That looks fine. Right, let's know we can go to Windows desktop. Oh yeah, another one thing, we need to make sure we open the port in the router 1194. That's over IP address 192.168.114. We're gonna have to open now Google Chrome and open the port in our DreTech router, because we are using a DreTech router. Let's access to the router 192.168.0.1. Password is blah 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 1234. Okay, we open the NAT on a port redirection. We also have 13 because we installed the WireGuard as well for the VPN. So 1194 is open already. So now we're going to change the IP address over new Ubuntu server. That's now external traffic from using this port, right, going to over Ubuntu server. So we redirect this traffic. So any VPN traffic from outside goes to Ubuntu server. If anyone be providing a certificate, they are remotely in through the Ubuntu server. Okay, now we open our Windows terminal. We have here license, so we upload this client one OpenVPN file. I'll just show you again. Scroll down here. Current version 3.8. This is the latest version we are using. Okay. We need to find where we saved this file, the VPN file. I think it was download. Can't find where I saved this file from. Let's go. OpenVPN was it here? I think it's client1.openvpn. Import the file. This is our IP address, and now we are connected. That's our VPN running. I hope you like my video and give you some knowledge. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, and like the video. If there's any questions, please give me a buzz or comments, please. I'm happy to here to help you. Hope you have a good day. We'll come back for another video. Thank you. Bye bye.